In the heart of East Asia, Korea stood small yet resilient, nestled between colossal empires. Picture this, a land rich in vibrant culture, hemmed by the powerful dynasties of China to the west and the samurai-ruled Japan to the east. How did Korea maintain its unique identity amidst such giants? Let's step back in time to an era of hanbok-clad figures, wooden buildings, and paper windows. Imagine kings in their palaces, scholars bent over ink brushes and scrolls, all under the warm glow of candlelight. These scenes capture the essence of Korea's historical journey, a journey of balance and cultural preservation. Korean kings, wise and strategic, played a delicate game of diplomacy. With ink and brush, they penned treaties and sent envoys on missions of peace. They understood the art of harmony, knowing when to assert and when to yield. This balance was their shield, protecting Korea's sovereignty. But it wasn't just the kings. The scholars, clad in simple hanboks, were the guardians of Korea's identity. In academies and under blossoming trees, they studied Confucian texts, not just to learn, but to teach values that would bind society. From education to art, they crafted a distinct Korean culture, one that honored its roots while embracing innovation. And then there were the people. Farmers, artisans, and merchants each played a vital role in this cultural tapestry. They wove resilience into their daily lives, preserving traditions through festivals, music, and food. Picture a bustling market where the sounds of bartering mingle with the scent of freshly cooked dishes, a testament to a vibrant, enduring culture. As the winds of change swept through the region, Korea adapted yet stood firm. The wooden buildings might have swayed, but they never fell. The ink on scrolls might have faded, but the words etched in the hearts of Koreans remained vivid. Through animated tales of hanbok-clad figures and candlelit roofs, we see a nation that survived between great empires. Korea wasn't just a land caught between giants. It was a beacon of cultural resilience and identity, proving that size is not the measure of strength, but the depth of one's roots and the clarity of one's vision are. In the dance between history and culture, Korea found its rhythm, a rhythm that continues to inspire, echoing through the ages, reminding us all of the power of balance and the beauty of cultural identity.